So here's a unique idea. Why don't you animate your book cover to use on Author Central and on your social media as a unique selling point?
Ew, you stink of wee. The Evelyn as answer.
By using Windows 10 Photo and Video app, you can animate your book cover and make a short video like these. You can then use these short videos to promote your books on places such as Author Central and on your social media.
Buy a bead from a gypsy fair.
And it's free and easy to do.
Wow. I realised that I, Mary Draper, can time travel.
So first of all, open Video Editor. I'm going to create a new video project. Give it a name. And then we're going to add to the project library. So this is going to be my book cover. Click and drag it onto your storyboard. Then we're going to set the duration to 30 seconds. You can play around with that. And then we're going to add a 3D effect. Okay, so here's all the effects you can choose from. You can have a play, choose one that is suitable for your book. So let's go with the glint star. So it's appeared here, so we can resize it, get a little bit bigger, and place it where you want it to appear. So you'll see it here on a timeline, so this will start at the beginning. We can also adjust the volume here on the right. Is it loud? Okay. Can add other effects, so I'm going to add this one. Again, you can resize it and place it where you want it to appear. Again, on your timeline, adjust it. So I want it to start at the beginning and most of the way through the video. Okay. I'm just going to add another effect, make it a bit more Christmassy. Then we're done for that. We're going to add some custom audio and some background music. So you can either choose from something that they offer. There's quite a lot to choose from here. Or add your own here. So I've added a music box sound. I have an idea what it sounds like. Just a little tip, if you head over to freesounds.org, you can download all sorts of sounds for your video. So if we put music box, make sure you select Creative Commons. That means you're free to use it with no attributions. And you've got a choice, just select one and then download. Okay, so I'm going to add some other audio to this just to make it a bit more interactive. And then move it to where you want it to go. And then play it back just to see how it sounds.
Look, Daddy, a dancing doll. That's all I want for Christmas.
You can make a lot of money from them dolls.
Press done. When you've played around with all your timings and got it how you want it, select finish. Choose a high quality and export and save it to your files.
And here is the finished video.
Look, Daddy, a dancing doll. That's all I want for Christmas.
You can make a lot of money from them dolls.
If you head over to the Amazon Author Central, you can then upload your little animated book video. So by looking at your author page, you can see that you can add author updates, so it's a good place to showcase these little animated books. To do that, go over to Profile and then Upload Media here. So you can either upload photos or videos. So I speeded that up a little bit for you so you didn't get bored. It takes a couple of minutes to upload, and you'll see it here now, and it'll take a few hours to process. And here it is uploaded.
Look, Daddy, the dancing doll. That's all I want for Christmas.
You can make a lot of money from them dolls.
If this video has helped you, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.